Yo, I'm Alucard 1978, and this is my bike check. We're gonna start off with the Brock Rayford grips with the ODI bar ends. I had the Jeffrey ones, but they finally broke, so we're getting new ones soon. The Odyssey small lever with the Odyssey cables. We got the square back from Colony. We got the Odyssey bars, the Hobby bar at 9.5. Primo headset with the snaffle motors, the Tiger. Come down to the Odyssey cables, the R25 fork, profile lead hub with DT Swiss, or not DT Swiss, the TLC jet fuel spokes with the matching nips to go. We got the roll cage. We got the matches good to tire 2.3. The frame is the Killerbee K3 in chrome. We got the profile GDH cranks. We get the Snafu NRX pedal, jet fuel sealed. We got the Salt Plus 28 tooth sprocket, KFC half link. We got the bottom bracket from Colony jet fuel, Colony jet fuel seat post. The Odyssey. The Galaxy seat from Odyssey. The new Odyssey Evo 2.5 brake with the cool stop brake pads. Profile lead hub with the conversion kit. 9-tooth chromoly driver. Same spoke and rim combination as in the front, along with the same tire. Top tube length of this particular setup is 21. Absolutely love this thing. It's responsive, exactly where I want it. We're looking to switch out the 175mm profile cranks with 170mm profiles. And we also got the valve caps to match the overall theme of the bike. But that should be about it. Comment, rate, subscribe, let me know what you guys think about this particular setup. I will be rocking this setup for the rest of the year. We also got plans on doing another one very, very soon. And it is revolved around the Sunday V2 Soundwave. Not the V3, but we are getting the V2. All friend. And I think that should be about it. Comment, rate, subscribe, let me know what you guys think about the video. And there's one more thing I actually forgot about the bike. We are getting the jet fuel boat that is right there. And that is it. You guys have a good one. Peace out.